questions. I have a question on.
Go ahead.
From Mishnah 13 of Pirkei Avos, Rabbi Yunan and Rashi said, one who uses his Torah knowledge for personal gain shall pass away from this world. Since this expression, personal gain, can be kind of ambiguous, so can LevLeib please expand on it a little bit more? So what would it be like? Just money, honors, or what would be like personal gain out of Torah?
Exactly. That you said that it's money, right? To make money from it, or for a personal honor, right? So he would ask a question that somebody does not know. So there were like some clowns that just read 5 minutes ago, some deep explanation, and they would ask Rabbi, and the Rabbi would not know. Of course, I mean you read 5 minutes ago, like deep explanation. Maybe he read it 13 years ago, 15 years ago. So of course he did not know. So like to make himself look smart. So that's to the person's detriment, unfortunately. That's how some people use Torah. To show off, basically. To put somebody down. That's would be thing. Yeah.
Thank you, Rabbi. But yeah, would a person be like allowed to make a living, like modestly make a living by teaching Torah, perhaps?
So we don't. So Rambam is, if you read Rambam, it's in Hilchos Talmud Torah. He said all of the bad words about people who make money of Torah. So but we know today rabbis are being paid and teachers in Yeshivah are being paid. So how come they being paid, right? So the answer is very simple. The answer is given. So if you don't pay them, like this rabbi who teaches you children, and if you tell you know what, we're not going to pay you because it says in the Torah that you should not benefit from it. He said, okay, I'm going to become accountant, right? And I'm going to make money. I'm going to become a school bus driver. I'm going to have become like a diamond cutter or something. You understand? I'm going to sell on website. Why should I suffer? Why should my family die? You don't pay. You don't pay. I'm going to teach. I'm knowledgeable. I'm good in teaching. I'm going to teach my own children. So what we do, we compensate him for not doing other things. You have to give some person compensation. So and many people, and always say, I was amazed always in with my minyan where I used to work. So it was like a financial district, many financial companies, town financial companies. It's like across from the Wall Street. So Wall Street, but it's from a different side of the river. So much cheaper. It used to be a port, like all of the storages, but then smart people, they bought up the area, built up new buildings, unbelievable. So all of the IT moved across the river, and we were there. And there were many Jews. And if you see like when we like announced the Minchata, like some changes, who's coming, who's not coming. So you see many people would not use their personal email, but they would use their work email. And you see, this is vice president, this is the big controller, this is that. Like many Jews had top position, tax director, this and that. So many Jews had a top position. Why? Because after learning in Yeshivah, they have knowledge, analytical knowledge that can be applied anywhere. You understand? And when you learn Talmud, when you learn even Halacha, it develop your mind, so you start thinking faster from all of the angles. You understand? So that these people would go like in a business, they fly up like. For them, what these people who like from college who watch TV and play on a PlayStation, all of these computer games, like these dumb people, and these pure guys, pure ladies who never saw TV, or maybe saw TV, whatever, forget about TV, so they never played the game in their life, so only learn Torah. Now they want to make money, so they can concentrate on a goal, not like these people who watch movies. Understand? So I saw like many people top jobs, not the top of the company, but in departments. So of course these people were making I don't know how a lot of money. I don't know. I'm not counting mom, but okay, let them be successful and provide for their families. You understand? You have many kids. You need to pay for education. You have a bigger house, maybe right. So all of this you have to pay for the camp, for extra food, extra clothing, whatever. Right. So you need a lot of money. So you have to if you want this person, for example, to become a rabbi. Of course, you're not going to pay him the job from this that he would get in this investment firm or a hedge funds firm, right? But at least you have to compensate for him to have a decent life, not to be like a bum just because he wants to teach your kid's Torah, he does not have to suffer. Understand? So he's allowed to get some compensation. Why? Because if you go to the business world, he would make 5 times more. But he's doing you a favor to teach your kids because you're obligated to teach your children. You understand? But if you don't want or you cannot, so you have to pay another person, right? You're not absolved. So that's why we pay, of course, the money they pay them. It's minimum of the minimum, and it says sometimes it's embarrassment of the compensation. And these people know if they go, they can be the top of the line. And in Lakewood Yeshivah, for example, we had several people from Lakewood Yeshivah. They have a college classes. So basically, it's like they hire teachers, right, to come to Yeshiva, and they teach like in Yeshiva like a college. So they have a college classes. They take all of the credits from what was it? All of the credits from this Talmud, from philosophy. They call it philosophy, whatever they call it. Doesn't matter. There's philosophy, there's history, Jewish history, that history, basically, and then plus all of this credits toward the major or whatever measure they have, and that's it. They graduate and they have a college diploma, and they can work top positions. So it's very, very smart people, very, very smart. You understand? So you have to pay them compensation on the normal. So you're not paying for teaching your children or teaching your halacha, but you're paying them not working in other profession that he can make 5 times more. That's maybe more than 5 times. Okay. What else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.